Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to tell you 8 must-know JavaScript array methods for JavaScript interview preparation when it comes to arrays topic. Okay, let me tell you the first method, that is every method. Every method. Every method checks whether all array elements satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. Let me show you the syntax. Syntax is array dot every and then pass callback function. Okay. Now let me show you an example here. For that, let me take an array, numbers array 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Now let me show you an example for every method. Here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check whether all elements of array are odd or not. Is all or all are odd equal to members dot every and then callback function. Okay, number which specifies the condition, then return boolean value. Okay, number plus 2 not equal to 0. Okay, now let me print the output of this every method. For that, console dot log, then every here value of this to console. Now let me run. You see here we got output false. Why? Because our array contains both even and odd numbers. Okay. Now the next method is find. Find method returns the first array element that satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. Okay. Let me show you an example here. For that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to check the first even number. Okay. First even number equal to numbers dot find and then callback function where I'm going to specify the condition plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now this find method returns the first array number that satisfies this condition. Okay. Let me print the value to console. Console dot log, then first even number. Save and then run the program. See here, first even number is 2. If you check our array, first even number is 2. Okay. This is about find method. The third method is filter. Third method is filter. Filter method creates a new array with all array elements that satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. Okay, let me show you an example. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to get only even numbers from the array. Only even numbers from the array. For that, what I'm going to use array, that is numbers dot filter and then specify the callback function where I'm going to check the number is even or not. this is going to return all array elements that satisfy this condition. Now let me print all even numbers to console, the even numbers, then run the program. You see here, we got only even numbers from the array. This is about filter method. The fourth method is forEach. Fourth method is forEach. forEach for each. forEach method executes the callback function once for each array element. Okay, let me show you an example here where what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add 2 to each array element and then print the value to the console. Okay, for that, for each, inside for each number, there is callback function. Inside callback, I'm simply adding 2 to each array element and then print the value to console. Okay, number plus 2. Now let's run and then see. Yeah, you see here our array starts from 1. Okay, if you see here 1, so for each array element we are adding 2 and then printing to the console. So it is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, the output is same. Okay, this is that is about for each method. Now the fifth method is includes. Includes method checks if an array contains certain value or not. Let me show you an example. Const is for here equal to numbers dot includes then pass 4. Now let me print console dot includes return boolean value, that is true or false. So here, now let's run the program and then see output. You see here true. Why? Because our array, that is numbers array, contains 4 value. You see here, that is about includes method. The sixth method is sum. Sixth method is sum. Sum method is same as every method except sum checks for at least one array element satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. Okay, let me show you an example. Const at least one even in array equal to numbers dot sum and then callback function. Inside callback function, I'm going to specify the condition for even number. Okay, number equal to 0. So even sum method also returns boolean value same as every method. Okay, here based on the condition satisfaction, it returns true or false. Now let me check if at least one even number is there in array, numbers array, we get a true. Let me print console dot log at least one even in array, then save. Let me run the program. You see here true. Why? Because in our array we have a even numbers as well, that is 2, 4, 6. So that is the reason sum method returned true. Okay, now the seventh method is reduce. Seventh method is reduce. Reduce method reduces the array reduces the array into a single value by applying the callback function. Okay, let me show you an example. Const total equal to numbers dot reduce, and then we are passing callback function here, which takes two arguments, total comma number, and then inside callback function, what I'm going to use, I'm simply returning sum of total plus number. So for reduce method, you can even pass an initial value. If you don't pass any initial value, the reduce method takes callback function and then initial value as a parameters. If you don't pass any initial value, it will be 0. If you want to pass, you can pass here. Let me pass initial value 2 and then print the sum now. Console.log total. Let me run the program. You see here, we got the sum of all numbers or array elements as 47. That is about reduce. Now, the last and eighth method is map. Map method creates a new array by applying the callback function on each array element. Okay, let me show you example here. That is, I would like to get square of all array elements into a new array. For that, numbers dot map and then pass callback function where we are going to return square of each array element number. Now let me print this square. Now let me run program and then see. You see here, now we got a new array of square numbers for each array element. Okay, this is about all most important array methods in JavaScript. Let me tell you one more time the methods. Every method checks whether all array elements satisfies the condition specified in the callback function, and then every method returns boolean value, okay, based on condition either true or false. That is about every method. Find method returns the first array element that satisfies the condition specified in the callback function, okay. And filter method creates a new array with all array elements that satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. That is about filter method. Then forEach method executes the callback function once for each array element. Okay, that is about forEach. Includes method checks if an array contains certain value or not. That is about includes method. And then sum method, it's same as every method, but sum method checks if at least one array element satisfies the condition specified in the callback function. If it satisfies the condition specified in the callback function, sum method returns true, otherwise returns false. And the reduce method reduces the array into a single value by applying the callback function. That is about reduce. And then map method creates a new array by applying the callback function for each array element. Okay, that's it about all array methods which are important for JavaScript interview preparation. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, subscribe and share the video with your friends. If you have anything, please leave in the comments. Thank you.